Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video, guys. So I'm here with the Huawei GT Runner Smartwatch. Okay, guys, so I don't know if you saw that flash on the screen. So I've got a bit of bad news. I did the update to HarmonyOS 3.0 and the watch was working fine for a little while, and now all of a sudden it's just powered off and it's not coming on. And the battery, I know my battery is definitely past 50%, so I know it hasn't died. My battery hasn't died. So as you can see, I'm pressing on the power button, and every now and again you see a little flash on the screen. There's no vibration, there's nothing coming from the watch. Okay, so I'm going to try pressing both the buttons. Keep them both held down. The watch is just totally dead, guys. And what I've noticed is on the health app here, it just keeps saying connecting, and then it disconnects. Let me pull it down so you can all see. Disconnected. Then connecting. Connected. So it's connected, but the screen is off and it just won't come on. Disconnected again, as you can see. Connecting. Disconnected. So I don't know what's going on with it, guys. I do not know what's going on. But all I can say is if you get the update notification, think twice about updating. Look, it just keeps disconnecting and reconnecting. This is crazy, man. Disconnected, reconnected, every second. Connecting. There's no flashing green light or nothing coming from the back. Normally the green light would be flashing. Okay, let me try something. Did you see that, guys? Did you see that flash on the screen? I'm telling you, something's seriously wrong here with this update. Okay, let me try something. Huawei Health. No wearable connected. Connecting. Here it goes again. It's got a mind of its own. Okay, I'm going to try something, guys. I'm going to wait for it to say connecting and connected. Okay, it's connecting. Connect. Okay, quickly try change the watch face. See if that'll wake it up. All right. Okay, wait for it to connect again. Connecting, and then we'll set as default. Nope. Okay, let's try another watch face. Wait for it to connect. Oh my God. And I've only had the watch about 9 months. And now it's just... It's just totally dead. Wow. Let's come back on, guys. Okay, so I think that's the fix, you know, guys. You've just got to wait for it to connect. You've got to wait for it to connect and just try change the watch face. Just try change it and just keep tapping on it until it changes and set it as the default. You know something? I'm going to try factory reset the watch. Because I don't know what was going on there, but I'm going to do a factory reset on it right now. Where is it? And let me just show you all as well. It's HarmonyOS 3.0, as you can see. This update has messed up my watch. My watch was perfectly fine before this. Restore factory settings, yep. Hopefully this will fix any issue what's causing this problem. Anyway, guys, that's it. You've seen me fix it in the video, so if you're having this problem, just do what I've done in the video. Try change the watch face, and hopefully it will wake up the watch and have it working again. Anyway, that's it. I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.